Okay, thanks for joining us today. Another episode of Mondays with Mia. Today we're finishing up a project we started last week. So what we did is we pulled off the cover, the oil pan cover for the transfer case because it was leaking profusely, and put a new gasket on it. And then Mia cleaned all the heavy grease and everything out of here. And so what we're doing today is we're going to fill the transmission and transfer case back up with oil because we drained both. And then we're going to be putting our skid plate back on. And we're going to be changing the high beam switch because that got stuck. And then we've got seat belts as well. So that's our plan for today, right, Mia?
Yes.
Yes. All right, so let's start with putting some oil in it, okay?
Okay.
So, all right, why don't you go ahead and put that down. So you got to find your fill plug, okay?
Is it this?
Nope, that's your drain. It's right there.
This?
Yep, okay. It should be loose. It's not.
Nope.
Okay. I thought I already pulled it out. Okay, there you go. Or I'll break it loose for you. There you go. Okay, take it out. Good job. Okay, set it in your tray.
Okay, I'll just put it right there.
Okay, bring your tray over here.
Okay. Right here.
Okay, this is your oil pump to pump the oil. This is where it comes out, so you gotta put that in the hole.
Okay.
Yep, like that. Okay, now you're gonna pump the oil.
Do I have to hold it?
Well, if it stays in, let go. There.
Okay.
Okay, now you're gonna pump it. Watch. Yep.
Oh.
Here, I'll hold it for you.
Gotta get that kink.
Yep. Go ahead and pump it.
How?
Lift up all the way. There you go. Now go. Keep going. This is way easier than when Logan and I did this. You're spoiled. We had a little hand pump that was like that big. We had to squeeze it all out. It took like an hour. This is going to take you maybe 2 minutes.
How will we know when it's full?
Because it'll come out. Okay. So when it comes out, we're going to take the piece and put it in this hole right there, and then we go put the fill plug in. It's going to be soon. Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay, so I always take this, put finger over the hole, dang it, push it. All right.
Do I stuff it in there?
Yep. Okay, see how I have my finger over the hole?
Yeah.
That's to keep it from running out, okay? Take the plug. Do you want to do it or you want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do the first one, you do the next one. Okay? So you take that, pull off your finger. Okay, where's our rags? Let's grab some rags out of the garbage can.
Okay.
There you go. Okay, tighten it up.
Okay. This.
No, other side. There you go. Man, look at those muscles. Careful, don't flip the Jeep off the lift. Want some help? Ugh, good job.
I think
Let me
that's
just snug it. Just make sure. Okay, good job.
Yeah.
All right, now let's do the other side. We gotta do the transmission.
Okay. Screw.
Let's see here. I'm trying to find a good spot. There it is. Okay, pull your drain, your fill plug.
Oh.
Ow.
Okay. Where that?
Yep, that's it.
It's stuck. Okay.
Okay. All right. All right. Oh, okay. We're there. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Okay.
You all good?
Yep.
Wipey, wipey.
Okay, take out your twist jack on your other side. Okay, so first lift up. Okay, stop. Now hold that down. And then pull that down. That'll bring the Jeep down.
All the way?
Oh, stop. Just rearranged our garbage can. Oh,
Oops.
it's good as new. All right.
All the way down?
Most of the way. Keep going a little bit. Right there. Okay. We'll leave it there so that way we can easily raise it back up when we're ready. Okay.
Okay.
So let's go over here and get your seat belts. There you go. Here's one. We'll start with that. So jump in the driver's seat. Okay, now.
Oh!
Oops.
I'll hold
All
it.
right. We'll just do it like this. No?
Dada.
What? How's it go?
It goes like this.
Oh, like that? That makes way more sense. Why did you tell me it went the other way? Yeah, so when we drill, we start with a smaller drill bit, call it a pilot bit, okay?
Okay.
Start with something like that. Okay. Now I'm gonna light it up for you. And you're gonna see in the middle of that black spot. See if you can drill right in the middle there. Go for it. There you go. Woo, good job. Okay. Pull it out. Okay. Now we want to get a drill bit that is the same size as the hole on your seatbelt, see?
Okay.
So I'm gonna guess that's a 1/2 inch, and I'd guess wrong. What do you guess? Today. Anytime. Okay,
Perfect.
that'll work. Okay, now it will stay. And you're gonna tighten it with the gun. With everything that gun's got, okay?
Okay.
There you go. Now go ahead and tighten it. Keep your fingers out of there. I don't want you. There you go. Okay. Everything the gun's got. Tighten it. All right, that's good. Okay, you got one part of your seatbelt.
Wait, what about the big washer? Did you already use it?
Yep, it's on the other side.
Oh.
You want to see it? See, look.
That's cool.
Yep. Okay, now you got to do the other one. Woohoo! There you go. All right, go ahead. See if it works. Boom, seat belts. All right, now we need to see, ow, if we can change out this bright switch real quick.
Counterclockwise.
I can't see it all.
Whoa.
I got it.
All done.
Okay, so now we gotta take that and put it back in the hole. Okay, you got it? Okay,
Yep.
let's try it now. Jump in it. Okay, put your choke in.
Woo!
Good little Jeep. Good job. Okay, so now you got seat belts. You got your, put on your seat belt. Yep, upside down. There you go. Okay, you got seat belts, you got your dimmer. Okay, try your lights again now with it running. There you go, way brighter. Now dim switch. Look at that, see it changing? Well, thanks for joining us. Be sure to follow Mia at therealjeepguy and at the Jeep Guy. Be sure to like and follow our videos so we can keep making them.
Yeah.